disruptions to your service, compromised safety, higher running costs. If you manage a fleet, you know the ways improperly inflated tyres can impact your business. But how do you stay in control of the pressure of every tyre on every vehicle without devoting even more time to complicated manual inspections? And how do you ensure your drivers always take the proper action when they get a tyre warning? The WEBFLEET Tyre Pressure Monitoring System can handle it all for you. WEBFLEET TPMS checks your tyre pressure and temperature in real time. It detects under or overinflation before it's even visible on the tyre and instantly alerts both the fleet manager and the driver. That way, you can react fast and take action before costly disruptions, repairs, or downtime are needed. Healthier tyres also mean a safer, more sustainable, and more cost-effective business with longer tyre lifetimes and better fuel efficiency. So whatever you're transporting, passengers or cargo, trust TPMS to help you get to the destination safe and on time. WEBFLEET Tyre Pressure Monitoring System. 24/7 tyre control.